Don't bust everywhere. Sarah say me we can't listen to our kids say the Jogodo different men. I take get belle for Oyibo house. Hey. Area does scatter. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My darling people, my correct people, Mona can't listen to video. Sarah don't come out with another one again. No, she talks say may we can't listen to arcades say the Jogodo different men for Benjo there. Not be smart, you know. Una know say na who near person that go fit describe how that person be. I first talk and say this social media friend una go dey careful o. Especially person wey don come your house na im go know everything wey dey happen for your house. Una know say Sarah dey near una know say she and Kate their friendship really be tight. Now Sarah don come burst everywhere say make we come lis ten. Many talk wey she talk here o. How Kate say dey carry people name dey give Mama Senegal make it say dey do something, una go hear all for this video. More na listen to this video, my darling people. Then I will come leave una comment for the comment section. Thank you, my ogbonge people. More na help me share this video. More na share that the whole world need to hear this one.
Là, je dois leak. La Diane. Do something. Now, follow you do. Oh, no, know you for Belgium. Nah. When they confirm her for me. Now your attitude I can't take finally because person tell you something. Like you know yours believe. Now your attitude I can't really take she show one for live video when I go Belgium. On not was your boy you wave your lalo. On te wa wolo even. On te wa wolo I don't know wa wolo live video. If me I'll feel let my even suck my toto for live video. I'll let my suck my toto but not be woman. Not be woman because me I no feel lick woman. I feel even agree say okay make you lick my own but me I know the lick your own. Ila long I know the lick. So when they talk about she know one Laurent. All viola love a live video. They don't know be. Have you come for here? He tell you something, that you can't see the attitude. Hey, whoa, alalue. Bisexual, they not only you go. Me, I never. Not only one side. I don't there for now. Only one side. Even can they hold your breast? Even if they hold, show you they feel you. Ask me the kind spirit when they do with married woman. You go feel how they feel you. Wow, now. Not be saying that just like that. As your boy you way, as your boy you way. Normally you feel the feel, okay, who will the way the boy you way? That one okay. Toto unko. Alaloy. For live video. No believe. Me I say yeah, I not believe until she come confirm her for me by herself. Until not to confirm me by herself. Kate na bisexual. No, you know what they mean of bisexual? Licking toto and killing it. Fucking dick and killing it. There she be. Me say me worst. Me say me no good. Me we made them but we will make it. And I will if we reach heaven. For they say we reach heaven, say we nanare when they go heaven, we say now we reach heaven, oh God will come they will come open now so they live your life. Me I go enter heaven for where that shaka bondo. Talk beg we have to wait with wife. Me I go enter. Because if not to win Now to when I say, okay, you do this. Me allow me because me I not see do so. Me maybe way so. I'll see tell God I got me reason this matter. Where is it? Me maybe warning. Yes, so God go reason. We go reason. He go reason with me. Lesbian. No worry, I'm gonna go boy. You be fall nothing. She not talk to nothing. Oh, you follow do lesbian. You don't know her. And you come back to my say, I just now right yeah, making they learn. Okay, you be thinking. I will not know. Person who you follow do lesbian, you don't know her. When man where? Okay, you don't know him again. Woman we lesbian. You know? Your mind, because I say if you say everybody na fool for your mind, for that your small mind, so nobody. And then you small shekele mind. You don't know me. Now what thing I say make you know about me, now you know. And like, are you for real? You. As you see me so. What thing I will say make you know about me, now you know. Oh, you think there is a plan me? What if mama boy can't talk now? What you are there's a banana where you are home. You are born now, wow. What if mama boy even talk? Now truth. Leave mama boy alone. iye bo na mi o bo me bo gbo hu danu iye I know o me sure was zare meeting o zaga so to before no ke pa cause o pe no ke gwaleke no na ni ehe na oga e don't take that's why she anything group e don't take you see this one now o pe no ke agwale group no la ke e don't take when she dey won't belong o pe people know am they know e bad character e useless life and they don't have gwale kia no hian lele ya hian so they find prick when you won't do ask me both meet you all of them she don't day off ask me if not be prick as Frank be they take Frank away here wake it if I fuck at that time na for come the hear na but he no want do they take Frank away here wake it again oh when bon person when he fuck for church now for group for meeting when they do now know if he fuck when he fuck person husband for church a group na meti fuck here if Frank say if you want Frank for do Frank for nyapoto if for do if Frank ya zanzan